great things about the State of the Union is how it gives Americans a chance to see clearly what their representatives really believe.
My last beer. Here goes.
So tonight I'm inviting every legislator to join with my administration in reaffirming a fundamental principle. If you agree with this statement, then stand up and show your support. Then stand up and show your support. The first duty of the American government is to protect American citizens, not illegal aliens.